How to become an initiator in a conversation, especially in the business world.
Naren.
This is Naren, Conquering Communication with you all. I have a series called Tuesday Talk where I post questions on Tuesday regarding communication, regarding conversation, and people respond. The past week I posted a question asking, are you an initiator or a follower in a conversation? And I got great responses, but somebody says, hey Naren, can you please tell us how to become a great initiator in a conversation, especially from a business point of view? They're a friend of mine and they have a business. So here is my answer to the question, and others can benefit from this as well. What stops us from being an initiator, especially in the business world? Let's say you're at a party, you're at a gathering, and you see a client, or you want to approach a client. What stops you? You know the number one thing that stops you? That is the fear of hearing a no, the fear of rejection. That is what stops you from initiating a conversation in the business world. So first, I'm going to give you a mindset tip, because to battle this, you need to change the mindset that you approach the conversation with. How to battle the fear of rejection, the fear of no. See, when you are thinking that you got to meet a client, you want to sell something, there's a lot of pressure on yourself, because you feel you want to sell something, you want to convince somebody, you need to do all this so that they say a yes. And naturally, that fear of rejection will arise. What if they say no? But if you approach the same client with the mindset of service, not selling, service, then the fear of no reduces and is almost gone. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're walking down the street. You see some homeless person that needs help. You pick out a 10 rupee note, a dollar bill, whatever you have, and you give to them. You initiate that conversation. You say, hey, keep this, have a good day. Are you fearful during that time to initiate that conversation? You're probably not. The biggest reason is because you think you're serving them, you're helping them. Same way with your business. Why aren't you thinking, if you think your business service is a good enough business service, you think you can add value, why are you fearful of sharing that with your client? So go into the meeting, the talk with your client with a mindset of service, that you're there to serve them. If they think it's okay, that works out. If no, move on to the next client to see how you can serve and help them. I would encourage you to start thinking of your service and your business as something that's helping the client rather than something that you're just trying to sell and accomplish something. I hope this mindset tip helps you, and in order to get more technical and learn the nuances of initiating a conversation, how to create a great first impression, I already have a video out on YouTube, the 5 ways to make a solid first impression. I'll put the link up in the description so you can click it and visit that video to learn the technicalities behind it. So this mindset and the technicalities in the art of creating a first good impression will hopefully make you a solid initiator in a conversation, especially from a business point of view. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video.